Yo, yo, yo. Hey. Just want to make sure everything's good, guys. Yo, yo, yo. Hey. All right, relax. Relax. Good, fam. What's up somewhere? What up, Lottery Stocks fam? How you guys doing? If somebody knows, so I haven't went live in a long time. If somebody knows how to keep chat on screen, that'd be great, because right now I'm reading your chat from my phone. What's good, King Kong? Yes, sir, Brian, we live. Paul, what up, Paul? Oh, what a great message, Brian. Same to you. God bless all of you guys popping in chat. Dave, what up? KMV2, what's up? XRP less than 24 hours till boom. Good evening. What up, Richard? What up, Paul? Yeah. Okay. Well, we have chat here. Maybe pop out chat. Yeah. Nope, that's not it. Okay. All right. Well, I guess I'll read chat from my phone until I figure that out for next stream. Let me know if you guys can hear the music in the background. I don't prefer. I mean, it's whatever. If it bothers you guys, I'll stop the music, but I'm kind of just vibing right now. Everybody who's popping in for the live, what up? It's a beautiful crypto weekend again. Every weekend has just been beautiful for crypto, and I mean, things end up dying off towards Wednesday, end up selling off, but right now we are enjoying it. We have about 40 people in here. The stream just begun. Pepe started flying today. Really, all the memes did. Okay. We're getting around 50 people in chat so far. I just want to say 6,800. Let me change the bitrate. All right. Get that warning off my screen. All right. What's good, fam? No music in background. All right, word. My mic is, I got the filters on right. Would be a good theme song for the market. I could play, if I dropped a song, if I played a song on my browser, on my computer, it would just block out, it would drown out my voice. Anyway, so this hasn't released yet. I've been working on it, but we're basically doing a small account challenge, and this isn't a sponsorship. Margex, there's a lot of issues with Margex. I just want to say that. But we're trading crypto, and the point of this challenge is to kind of show the traders with small accounts that everything is possible. So basically, we're starting from 500, and I'm looking to get to 10K within 2 weeks. So we actually started with 470 or something like that, 460 after fees, and we are on day 2. We have basically doubled the account, and I do have some rules that I have to follow, and they have been working very well for me. So if you guys want to write these down, and if you're trading on a platform like this, feel free to do so. One of the main rules that I have been using and following is a 2% stop loss. Okay. What up, Ape in the Cape? Dave said he bought more XRP and Pepe. Shout out, Dave. Mike Carroll, do you really not know my thoughts on GME? Have you been watching the videos, or are you just wondering what my thoughts on GameStop are? Obviously, I mean, I'm extremely bullish on GameStop. I'll just say that. But I could cover it. I could definitely, I can cover some charts for you guys if you want, very briefly. XRP, started my account on Robinhood with some free shares, and I'm up over 11K. Damn. Good job, Paul. Yeah, guys, so the point of this challenge is to kind of show that it's possible, but also just for entertainment purposes. And if I fail, that's perfectly fine. I'm going to upload the video either way. It may take some time, obviously, because we're only in day 2. I'm looking to get there within 2 weeks. Hopefully we get there sooner, or, you know, maybe it'll take a little bit longer. But I'll enter a trade on live here if I can see one line up. Right now I've been liking the memes. Pepe, Doge, Bonk. But yeah, so we'll head over to trade. Another one of my rules is if it is not Bitcoin and Ethereum, I only get 15x leverage, which is still, you guys get to watch me trade on some leverage, which is pretty cool. This song. But if it's Bitcoin and Ethereum, I will be able to use 25x leverage. These are just some rules I'm using for myself. I can't trade from my phone, so I'm not taking any trades from my phone. Let's see. All right. What do I cover first before I see a trade lineup? Well, first, I just want to see. We're looking at 5-minute on Doge. Let's pull up Doge on the 15. I want a 5-minute and a 15-minute chart up for the strat that I've been using. Been working well. So we recently got a buy signal on Dogecoin and on the 15-minute time frame, which is just a cross of the 9 and the 21 EMAs with the RSI during the cross over 50. So that's just a little bit of additional confirmation. We also broke out of the top of the Watson, which indicates a little bit of a strong trend, but we got a hard rejection. I just started watching this, so I didn't take entry on anything. And looking at the 5-minute, we did get that buy cross as well. But we are looking for to kind of see where Dogecoin wants to go. We could get this sell cross here because we rejected off of the Bollinger Bands hard out here, came back down, and we're breaking below both moving averages. So I don't see entry here. If anything, I would see a short, but it's still too risky to enter either way. I want to take a look at Pepe again just because we hit a nice trade earlier on Pepe. Okay, Pepe's back at structural support here. Volume increase on the sell-off, not a good look. I would look for a short, but I also want to note RSI is way too oversold. Pepe may get a bounce here. Again, not really a position to take. We got a short on the 5. Let's see what the 15 looks like. Yeah, we're about to get a sell cross on the 15. If we get a sell cross and break of structure, I'd look for a short on Pepe. And we're coming to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. But I wouldn't be surprised if we get a bounce here. All right, let's cover some of your things while we're here. Let's take a look at chat. Hulk Hogan, what up? I bought Doge at half a penny last night. Oh, last year I am up almost 500K. Damn. Shout out to you. Don't give it back. All right, don't give it back. All right, guys, let's cover some of the tickers that you guys want me to cover. XRP, very famous one. XRP has had just the craziest moves out of everything. Let's grab XRP Tetherist. I think I have more drawings up over there. Yeah. XRP's made over a 600% move this cycle alone. Daily time frame shows us above support level, which is great at about 256. RSI is extremely overbought, and that's why. I mean, will you relax? My cats are crazy right now. What's up? Come here, baby. When you see, okay, so when you see, let me bring up XRP over here as well on a smaller time frame, just in case. I'm not sure if you can even trade this on Margex anymore. Yeah, no, temporarily suspended. But yeah, XRP 15-minute looked great. We got a buy signal back here. We have just been climbing higher. Is this thing going to stop? Well, when you see a move above resistance like this, which you can see multiple resistance levels here. Oh, there's another ad playing in the background. And then the full candle, the daily candle close above that level, and then the next one open. That's very bullish. On top of that, I want to point out that the RSI is extremely overbought. Okay. So when you see the RSI extremely overbought and it still decides to resist selling pressure, the trend is just absurd. Okay. The strength in this bull run on XRP is I don't want to say something we haven't seen before, but something we aren't seeing in a lot of other cryptos. So it's great to see. There's a lot of pumpers pumping XRP. Obviously, it does have some value. We made a whole video about it. But is it really going to be a world currency? I don't know. I'm not one to say it will. I'm not one to say it won't because I don't want to bash the XRP community. But I don't really care. Whenever people tell you, then they're hating on it. They're saying, listen, it's not going to be a world currency. You guys are all stupid. Who cares? Whatever I can make money on is where my eyes are. Okay, I don't care if it's going to be the next Bitcoin in the sense of it being a world currency, whatever. If I think it's going to go up, I'm buying. If I think it's going to go down, I'm selling. It's as easy as that. Wherever there's money, and there is a lot of liquidity in XRP, so it's just an enjoyable thing to watch, right? There's no hating on it, but it's definitely not, personally, it's not a diamond hand for me. I haven't been one like that, but I know plenty of people have. And shout out to you guys because you guys are the ones who made out the most profit off of XRP. 260 XRP breaking up or out, whichever you prefer. Yo, yo. What up, Feely? That's what I'm going to call you because that's what I read. Okay, so where's XRP going to go from here? Ultimately, if we get a sell-off, that's fine. If we get, you know, kind of some accumulation up here, that's fine. Between where we're at now and 276, right? 256, 276, that 20-cent range. We get just accumulation here. That's fine. I want this RSI to cool off. I want XRP to get a little bit of a breath. Worst case scenario, you come back down and you test this parallel channel again, which would be breaking under this. Likely the bottom of this wick of the most recent candle at $2.39 before XRP moves higher. So you come down and then you break out, right? Obviously not that simple, but I just see too much strength in here. A break over 278 is going to bring 295 again, or 295 in general, right? We hit about 290, 291, I believe. Obviously, other exchanges show some different price action. Next, after that, I see happening is $4.68. But ultimately, 2025, if we continue move here, 750. That's my overall price target on XRP. If you haven't seen the video, I gave a whole breakdown. Now, Pepe is trying super hard to break this structure here. I want to come on the 5-minute time frame and see where we're at. Hmm. Pepe got a buy signal on the Watson back here. A buy signal cross. And the trend broke up out of this flag. I'd watch resistance at recent key support. But I'm looking at two different exchange prices right now. I just want to watch one. And the one on Margex, 5-minute, looks bearish. 15-minute, I'm waiting for bearish confirmation. It does look very weak. I'm waiting for that cross. What up, Vassal? Honestly, I'm not going to try to pronounce your name. I thank you so much for the super chat. Take a look at Tesla. Absolutely. And listen, man, you guys don't have to send any super chats. I'll cover them for you. I'll cover these stocks, crypto, whatever you want me to cover. I haven't taken a look at Tesla in a while, only because other things have gotten my attention. I have Tesla in my long term. Tesla is a rocket, right? 389.22. Here's what I see from the macro perspective. Tesla was held down, okay? Held down. It was suppressed from the Magnificent Seven from moving alongside with it. Inflation, this is a rate sensitive stock, right? Over the time, the stock was suppressed by short sellers. It didn't run with the Magnificent Seven. It didn't get its move. Finally, catalysts are shifting the table for Tesla, and it's breaking out of this entrapment that it's been in. And there is no telling how high this can go. And the only reason I say that is because Tesla's not past its highs yet at 414. There are other plays that have surpassed their highs. Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, Google, right? These companies have made highs and Tesla has been shut down. Overall, what do I see happening with Tesla? Let me take a look at something really quick, just out of curiosity. I mean, off rip, long term, Tesla leads the EV sector. Elon Musk is a walking advertisement. There is nothing negative I see about Tesla, right? Looking at 76 million shares short interest. I don't know what that percentage ratio is here. Check market beat. Okay, only 2% according to market beat now on Tesla shares shorted. Short sellers definitely wanted to exit. Overall, I see mostly a move to 421, but my technicals could be outdated. So let me take a look really quick for you. I'll just run a quick fib. Get some levels. Yeah, these are rough levels, right? Tesla's obviously just smashing through levels of resistance. I'd watch between highs at 414 to about 423. If we break highs, you enter price discovery for Tesla. You may get a little bit held up at 458, but ultimately you see a long move in 2025 for a $600 stock on Tesla. Given that is if you don't see a black swan event, which is very likely for 2025. I just want to say a market crash, in my personal opinion, is likely coming in 2025, and it could affect obviously every stock, but especially a large market cap like Tesla, large cap company. There is also increasing regulation on EVs in certain areas, but you also have the Elon and Trump connection. So you have an EV company that rules all other EV companies. This is the top competitor, right? And then you have the incoming president of the United States being buddy-buddy with the CEO of that company. The downside risk here on Tesla is super, super low. At this point, ride the momentum trend, in my opinion, until the momentum is up. Buy at dips, dollar cost average. This is just my opinion. Tesla's beautiful, man. Perspicuous ape. What's up, bro? You can, yeah, let me know your theories. All right, let's see if I can get a trade here, guys, while we're on stream, because that's ultimately what I like, but I also have to follow my rules, so I'm not going to rush into a trade. Let me check something. Let's see. Obviously, XRP is tagging along in volume so long. Oh, BNB. That was a perfect call out the other day. Let's see how that's doing. Binance Coin. Recently got a sell on the 15. Got a buy on the 15 here. Fighting structural resistance. Looks like I had an old trend line right here. And it's still working. Yeah. A lot of weakness across the board. Let me see if something is specifically pumping. Something in particular. Guys, I'm not going to be on stream too long. I wasn't planning on streaming, but I figured might as well if I'm going to take a look at a trade. See what you guys are doing. Pepe just looks the best. I guess I'm going to go back to Pepe. Thank you, Feely. I appreciate that. You bought the dip yesterday on Tesla? Solid. Give me a Discord link. The Discord links are in the description of any video, bro. If you see my videos, you know the Discord's there. I work for Tesla and know some inside information, but I can't say. Well, that doesn't really help us now, does it? Paul, I don't want to get you in trouble. Feel free to say or don't say whatever you want, man. Damn, the song's going hard in the background. On, can't think. Pepe is fighting so hard here. I'm still seeing an increase in volume. Still operating off a sell signal. Okay, Pepe USD and Pepe 100K or 100K Pepe. Let me see something. Yeah. I gotta change this because this is bothering me. Gotta find this 100K Pepe. What is this? I'm not, listen, I just know how to trade. I'm not crypto savvy. If someone knows what is the difference between these, please let me know. It looks like it's just leveraged Pepe, right? 100K. Sounds like it's just a leveraged Pepe. I mean, it's trading at $2.46. It's trading at almost 4.026. It looks like a 100x leverage Pepe where the exchanges are off. I wish I could trade this one. This is a breakout move. It's breaking above structure. I love this. Oh yeah, somebody wanted me to cover GameStop. I covered it earlier today in a video. Perspicuous ape. Relax, buddy. Told you can get in the Discord. Feel free. Or you can email me your fractals. And yes, I have $46 price target. I've been talking about that. Avax is a banger. Is Avax popping off right now? Avax getting a buy on the 5-minute. Money might filter back through after these meme coins. Is Whiff on? No, it's not. Okay. Let's see what new coins they have. I don't think Algorand is new for their platform. Oh, they have Floki. See what Floki's doing. Okay. Floki got a buy signal. It's trying here. A buy on the 5-minute. RSI over 50. Looking decent. Let's check the 15. We're operating off of a sell signal on the 15, but we're about to get across here. Ultimately, I'm seeing low volume. I could probably take a short if we retest these highs at this recent 15-minute candlestick. Right around 26.5 cents. I could probably take a short up there. But part of this challenge is taking great setups only, not mild setups, and this is a very mild setup. Let me see how Algorand is doing. Yeah, not moving. Are Ethereum and Bitcoin at least doing something? It's Saturday, so we're gonna see. This is kind of a midday. Well, this is kind of like a dead hour, right? I think once you approach 2 a.m., cryptos are gonna start freaking out again. But there's really not much happening. All right, Perspicuous. Yeah. Sayonara, bud. Matt Amaya, RGTI, UUBT, IONQ. All squeeze plays, right? I remember RGTI and IONQ. Not sure I have heard of that middle ticker. Honest outlook on AMC. Good for you, Perspicuous. That's dope. Let me take a look at AMC for you. Here's my honest outlook. I mean, I've covered it before, but show you. AMC is very simple. We hit. I'll bring this on. No, I'll keep it on the daily. A little bit more of a macro for you. But if you take a look, right? This sell-off up here to where we're trading at now, obviously, probably one of the largest moves we've seen in the stock, at least downward, right? To where we're at now, you're looking at about 455 days in the cycle. Very similarly, 455 days into the cycle after this large sell-off, right? Back February 2020, leads you right to here, okay? Let me bring you in a little bit so you can see. Very simple. AMC, get the strong out of here. Trades in the parallel channel. You come back, you fight resistance, come back in, and then you get mass green candles to the upside. In fact, this is just how AMC likes to do it. It doesn't give any warning signals, and it looks better on a shorter time frame, but I'm not going to scroll across the chart for you. Ascending parallel channel, major outbreak, retrace at resistance, mega green candles, right? You come back at a much smaller scale. Obviously, because price is super cheap right now, right? Okay, you come back, parallel channel. Obviously, after the 455 days, push up against resistance, sell back in, mega green candle, and it's getting held down. Obviously, that is because this is a catalyst. This candle is a catalyst. This is a dilution move from Adam Aaron, where the company wants to sell 50 million shares, which is, I don't normally like dilution. I still don't like dilution per se, but I think it was an okay time because this 566 level has a debt conversion behind it. Okay, so investors in the company, AMC holds 566 and holds above it. They get to basically convert some debt into owning shares. Instead, Adam Aaron made them purchase shares, and you can see we got to 556. Adam Aaron said, "Whoa, you guys are gonna have to actually purchase at this price, or below this price, right? We're not gonna get to 566 because we're gonna pass that at some point anyway. At least I hope this is what he's thinking. We're gonna pass this anyway, so buy more shares, right? Buy more shares, right? More money for the company. Overall outlook: AMC, GameStop, overall market. I think the timeline Roaring Kitty has been giving is perfectly on point. And you're either going to see a crash and everything else and liquidity pulled to cover some shorts, right? Time you cover that recent thing that he posted. And then you see mega boom candles, or you don't. I also want to say AMC, let me see. AMC, Ethereum Classic. Yeah, AMC, Ethereum Classic, XRP, they track one another. What I can tell you is that XRP has had a 640% move. Ethereum Classic about a 150% move. AMC lagging slightly behind, but following it up. If AMC and Ethereum Classic end up having the same exact move, and by move I mean the relative low that they've been at, right? So AMC has gotten a much smaller move than both of these plays. Oh, my arm is pulsing right now. All right. I don't know why my arm was pulsing. Anyway, if AMC gets the same move, we're coming to around $31, but ultimately I see a minimum of $9.30 to $13.30, and then if we get that breakout, 21, 26, 31. Simple. Bitcoin getting a green candle. I don't know why this isn't moving. Like, is this chart broken? Or has volume just disappeared on this? I think genuinely Margex is just broken. Let me get a reload. Yeah, I'm not sure. Looks like we can't trade Pepe. Okay. Bonk looking for a breakout. Now we might get a trade here. Finally some volume somewhere. Okay, we're operating off a buy on the 5-minute. EMA's cross. Let's check the 15. We just got a 15-minute buy. Let's just grab some levels here. We don't want to rush into this because we have to run very close stops. Okay. Let's jump on the 5. Oh, this is a beautiful breakout candle. I would prefer to buy on a pullback. We'll go in full 15x leverage just so you guys get to watch some fun entertainment here. I mean, this is good. This is a good breakout. Let's see what Bonk's doing over here. Yeah, that's nice. That's beautiful, but we're kind of missing the breakout. Not missing, but I just don't want to chase. I would like to get in on a pullback. We could get a nice high move up. Maybe I jump in and run that stop, but I don't want to get kicked out quick. If we get a pull to this level at 48, I'll jump in. We'll buy long at 48. We'll see if we get that pullback, but this looks strong. I'm not sure we get it. I also don't want to see... I want this resistance to do something for Bonk. So we have an active order in for about 13K. Let's read chat. We'll see if we get filled. Saturday night usually dead volume. Yeah, unfortunately. And then leading into Sunday, you get that additional push. Bonk's having a little bit of trouble here. But I'm seeing increase in volume. I assume we get a nice big candle up here. I could jump in at market, but again, small account. I'd like to get filled at 48. Yep. Oh, sorry, guys. I just realized I'm reading chat, and all you see is like my head down. My apologies. Yeah, Bonk's getting a dirty breakout. I wish it filled our entry, but at this point, I don't know. I'd even look for a short here. I bet Pepe is doing the same thing, and unfortunately, it's frozen on Margex. Yeah. I mean, Pepe got a nice move here, but Bonk's getting a nicer move. Let's see what we can see. We got that 15-minute cross. This whole candle we missed, unfortunately. Bonk is trying super hard. That's a big green candle. I don't want to short a move like this. This momentum is tough, okay? If we come back down to 4829, I'll go for the fill. I'll go for the fill. Why not? Let's cancel this order because that's back. I bet we get filled here. It's pretty close. Okay, we got filled. Again, we might get kicked out quick, which is fine, because I have to run a 2% stop. Which is 26 bucks. And there's a lot of momentum here. So we might get kicked out very quick. Okay, so don't get upset with watching a potential L on stream. This video will come out great. Don't worry. Down 5. We might get kicked out. Let's see. Bonk's trying super hard here. But here's the thing. If we get... I'm fine with getting kicked out, but if we get a momentum push past the highs, that would be beautiful because we got a lot of room to run. And if we can catch this, that'd be great. Slightly going green, but it's fighting. But look at how much volume we've seen on this candle. I mean, there's a lot of people exchanging hands at these levels. Sorry, that's the dryer. Okay, we got stopped out. That's okay. That's fine, guys. We got stopped out. I'm just happy we found something with momentum. This is cool. It's getting a little bit of a sell-off, which is fine. I'm looking for re-entry because... Beautiful. If we can fill at 4.8, I'll buy long again. We'll see. Oh, we might bounce off the Bollinger Band here. My guess is there's a lot of sellers at 48 cents. So it might be a liquidity grab to, you know, get these people to close out. And then we run back up, and that'll bring me in, which would be great. I want it to test so bad. We're very close. We're at 48.13. Get us a fill. I mean, realistically, we could come back down. Other stocks, your thoughts on what backs cryptocurrency? If the dollar went bust, we have gold, precious metals, silver. Crypto has no backing in my... Well, the good thing about crypto is it's very independent, right? So the way I see it is, well, there is a backing, but you could go about this two ways. So think of state laws, right? And then you have federal laws. Each individual company accepting crypto as a payment is likely going to be their choice, unless it's like federally banned. But there's a lot of deregulatory stance, especially coming in right now. We might get filled here. This is going to be great if we get filled. But it's the same. It's the same as the dollar, right? We just give things value. That's basically it. But this is going to be a more so in an independent way, which I think is great. But to give you a basic understanding. Oh, really, Paul? Yeah, Doge and SHIB. If obviously things are a little bit down the line, in my opinion, but if cryptocurrency were to, I'd love to put this in a right way for you, but do you understand the blockchain? Who Hulk Hogan? Do you understand each individual code behind the crypto? Come on, give us a fill here. So close. Might not want to hit our fill. Come on. Hit our fill target. Do you think all these altcoins will survive? I don't see it. No. No, 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 no. That is not what I'm saying. I definitely don't think that. Come on, Bonk. Give us our fill. Oh, we came so close. See what it wants to do on the 1 minute. I don't want to trade the 1 minute. Yeah. It's trying to bounce off of the EMA. Right? We're getting a bounce off of the 9 EMA. I want us to fill so bad. Okay. We might fill. What's going on? I'm seeing... Oh, Margex. What are you doing? Fill me. It's a patience game. Here we go. No, you want to. Hang on, guys. All right. Yo, what up? All right, Hulk Hogan. I think all these cryptos, this is just a quick momentum move. They're gonna die out. Bitcoin, I don't think will die out, and we are filled. Especially if it's gonna potentially be a reserve currency. Now we're getting a lot of sell pressure. You guys have to remember, I have to set that 2% stop. Unfortunately for the challenge. Oh, invalid stop loss. We're already over 2%. That's not good. I will drop a... Okay, we're already over. Ah, boy, oh boy. All right, we're at a 4% stop. That breaks my rules for the challenge. I'm going to have to put this in the video. We're going to get stopped anyway. We got stopped. Yeah, a lot of sell pressure. That was just bad trade right there. Super aggravating. But yeah, I don't know. Switch to 1 minute. Wait for candle close above previous candle high. That's your entry. I agree with that. Vector Cruzo. Bro. I know, bro. It's very aggravating. I'm trading with 15x leverage and I have to use a 2% stop, so it just gets hit immediately. Are we getting one more dip before Shiba takes off? Let me tell you. I wasn't even going to trade more tonight. Ooh, Shiba looks good. We just got a buy signal on the 15. Buy signal on the 5. Buy signal on the Watson. Shiba looks great. Yeah, Shiba wants to make a move, but volume's super low here. I'd watch for a nice big old candle. Just to give us some temporary levels. Is Shiba going to... What did you ask? Let me see. Are we going to get one more dip before Shiba takes off? And right now, Shiba looks like it wants to go, but we are getting a ton of sell signals firing off. Take a look. Overbought, overbought, testing overbought. I mean, Shiba looks great, honestly. Shiba might move up to 4036 tonight. Might do it right now. Might start that move. But we could get... If we keep seeing weak volume, you're going to probably reject here. I don't see a trade yet. I want to go back and look at Bonk because a lot of volume was coming in on Bonk. Yeah, we're getting smoked. I'd have to guess we bounce off of this EMA here. Let me check the 15. Yeah, I know on the 1 minute, but I have a specific strategy for this account. Dave said it's going to go. Wake up tomorrow with more money than you had tonight. Yeah, I believe you. Unfortunately, I have to run stops. Okay, we got a huge green candle here with a lot of volume. Good sign for Bonk. We're also seeing a ton of buy signals firing off. Bonk could break highs as we're watching it. I also have another rule. So we are at about 8 trades for the day, which is okay. But I only have a max of 10 trades. So again, we took kind of dumb setups just because I'm on stream. I wanted to take a trade for your entertainment. But yeah, we're kind of taking stupid setups. Bitcoin is just hugging 100K right now. What do we want to do here, Bitcoin? What do we want to do? Why does it feel like Sunday, guys? Stock market, I heard, feel toppy. Yes, it does. In my opinion, market does feel toppy. What can I look at? I mean, what do you guys want me to cover something? Bonk's getting a bounce here, but I'm not sure we hold up. I need to see some confirmation. I feel slight decision fatigue right now, and I never want to trade in that. So I'm just kind of spectating. How's ETH looking? Yeah, good question. ETH, baby. Well, Ethereum, I mean, you can't make this up. You guys are seeing it on live. I said, watch this break of the wedge. Come up to 3,960. You came up perfectly to this level. You got rejected at the next level, right around 4,028. You almost came up to 4,100, but 4,028, and you're accumulating between two very small points. Now, another thing I mentioned is if Ethereum got this push up to 3,960 and it decided to fight, and it decided to fight at what I would claim as a weak support, right? At 4,028, so 40.28. If it would try to fight there, I would say it's likely to come and backtest the wedge, which is about 3,800, right? Before moving higher. That is something I see happening, just the way it's reacting to a weak resistance. But yeah, that's how Ethereum's looking. Got ads playing in the background. Can you explain the two different Pepe coins? I wish I could. We talked about the 100K I was asking about. I assumed it's leveraged Pepe. That's the one I was looking at on Margex. I mean, I have yet to trade Ethereum and Bitcoin for this small account challenge. I'm aggravated. I already took those trades. I don't want a revenge trade. I just want to find a breakout move. Let's see. Oh, what up, Daniel? Thank you for becoming a member. Shout out, Daniel. Yo, Dan, all seriousness, if you want to become, more part of the family, see my trades and everything like that, and just talk with the best people, yes, become a member. I do have to catch up with some additional content over there for the support. I just thank you for the support. But Discord has tons of benefits, and it's very active. So I urge you to get in there if you want to become a member strongly, right? But shout out to Dan. Drop shout out Dan. Bro. Yo, Inspector, what are you talking about? I'm seeing rockets. Please tell me what this is. I gotta trade it. I don't know if you're talking about something specific, but gotta get in there. Ah, there it is. There it is. Bonk is moving back up. What a strong move. I want to see the test at these highs here. If we can back test the top of this candle, maybe I'd go in a long. This is a weak volume push. We need to see volume pick up here. Okay, my eyes are all on Bonk right now. Come on, Bonk. Do your thing, baby. Bonk is about to fight some hard resistance. Right about 405. Oh, we got a ways to go to get there. I'll take a fill at the highs, 4854. I know this is going to be a tough resistance for Bonk, but I'm seeing volume increase here. A lot of people changing hands. All right, we're in. We're watching for this breakout move. Let me set my stop. Very simple. I mean, this challenge consists of very strict rules, very simple trading, watching for breakouts. Bonk, bro. Yes, sir. All right. Basically flat on the trade right now. Bonk is fighting for its life here. But there are several things that I've seen. And a break of this high is beautiful. Okay, we're up 1.5%. I'd look for a take profit just above 0.5 if we can even get there. Let's go. Don't get stopped. I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to grab a water. PNL's bottom right corner. All right. We got stopped, unfortunately. I think this thing's going to move. I don't know how we got stopped there. What are we looking at? 772. Bonk looks like it wants to break. 2% stop loss is very aggravating. Why I love you, bro. Gonna get stopped again. Hey, thank you, Hulk Hogan. I appreciate the support so much. You have a great night. I'll tell you what, if Bonk retests this fib, I'm getting back in. That's what I'm... we filled that market. Why did I do that? Should have known. I just realized this is going to be my 10th trade. Well, that'll be a weird night, right? End of day 2. Absolutely getting clapped on a live stream. Don't you do it, Bonk. We filled that market. That was stupid. Wait. Yeah. Taking crazy setups. All right, well, we're looking at 750. We're in day 2. We started with 447. Perfectly fine. We'll get some coffee. Honestly, I got like 4 hours of sleep last night, and I already had like 2.5 cups of coffee. So I gotta relax. Gotta relax on my coffee. Let's go, Doge. I mean, I'm not sure how many trades we took today. I just want to make sure. Order history 10. Okay. December 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, is that right? One, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here's what I remember. So we got that $60 trade last night. I'm not sure if we stopped there. It's still saying December 7th. We got the $20. 1 trade, 2 trade, 3 trade, 4 trade, 5 trade, 6 trade, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, we took 10 trades today. That's going to do it for me. Got to be smart with this account. I know, bro. I know, Inspector. No, earlier was beautiful. I have a clip, and I could. Ah, I have a clip, but I have to edit all my clips. Overall, we're only day 2. You can see the trade I took earlier, um, on Pepe was a $314 trade. I mean, you the stops are what's saving me, right? That's why these rules are so important, because we did so the start of this challenge, we lost 16, we did a $60 trade. We lost 11, lost 20, made 20, lost 18, made 61, lost 19, lost 30, made 314, lost 26, 46, 26, 28. But the 46 was supposed to be a $26 loss, but it was flushing too quick, and I was too busy yapping my lips on live, which is very aggravating, and that'll go in the video too. Doge is looking for a break of highs. I I mean, I'd look for a short here on Doge just based off of how everything's acting, but I don't want to short in a market that is very aggressively up. Ooh, 15-minute looks a lot better actually on Doge. Operating off of a buy signal. Getting a candle. Well, this candle's trying at the highs, but so was Bonk. So was Pepe. So far, they're failing, but I'd look for a breakout tonight. XVG. Take a look. Is that? Doubt it's. Okay, yeah, they don't have it here. This has a nice entry, you said. Wow, this thing comes up and then back down so quick. Let's look at a macro. Damn. There's another one? Oh my goodness. Maybe you're right. Maybe this is a crazy entry. I don't think these levels are going to work. This is way too macro, right? These are big moves on this play. That would be all the way up to about 73 cents. All right. I mean, I have no familiarity with this coin, with Verge. If anyone in chat does, let me know. I gave some coins earlier in today's video that I think have a lot of opportunity. I'm talking opportunity to make millions off of a very, very small account. Bonk now? Yeah. I don't even want to look at it. All right. Why don't you just say fuck you to me in a different way, all right? Oh, never mind. Bonk's selling off. Or you were telling me Bonk entry. Is that what you're saying? Look at Bonk. Okay, that makes me a little happier. Doge tested 47 earlier. We'll break it today. Will it break it? Doge does look good. Oh, you don't short? Yeah, I do. It That was actually the trade, I believe, that made a nice gain earlier. Short. Yeah. Um, the thing is, I took 10 trades, and this is a challenge that I have to very, very strictly follow my rules on. I cannot take more than 10 trades a day, and I was stupid for taking those ugly setups. But ultimately, I'm not mad with it. I'm perfectly fine with ending day 2 at 750, starting day 1 at 460 or something like that. So almost doubled the account the next day. We go at this pace, we're going to hit that 10K in under 2 weeks. So I'm fine with that. Yeah, I was talking about GameStop coin earlier, which is just absurd. Let me see. Yeah, this is disgusting. I mean, it's up another 100% on the day. So this chart looks, obviously this chart looks awful. Oh, my arm is twitching like crazy. Is this the right coin? Yeah. Yeah, I believe this is it. Yeah. Max supply 420 billion. This thing, if you want to 100x the outcome of GameStop stock, that coin is where it's at. Avax, please. Go. Let's go take a look at Avax. Avax is trying. I mean, sorry. I just keep having to skip ads. You guys can't hear the music in the background, but it's just skipping ads. Okay. Tons of alts and memes are at this level where they've come up, they've made this relative high in the cycle, and they're testing it again. Avax actually looks a little bit different. Let me check something. Okay, Avax came up 217% in total-ish this cycle, which is not the top I see. I had a price target on Avax of 76. I do still think that is going to get hit. Will it happen during this rally right here? Well, you're getting 3 sell signals firing off. I don't want to look at the EMA cross here because we're on too much of a big time frame. These are for shorter trades. Lots of consolidation. So let me bring up some things that are likely to correlate, some other high cap alts. All right, take a look here, for example, right? Oh, whoops. This. Okay. We're looking at Binance coin up 97% during this cycle. All right. Anyway, large caps like Avax, Binance. Let me look at Algorand. Avax is what you asked for. Let's see. So all of these coins have done something very similar. I think some have some catching up to do. You can see Algorand has had that 377% push. Avax, I think, is supposed to have at least something similar, which 76 is my price target. First price target is going to be 60, but 76. And ultimately, I don't think Avax is done here. I think perfectly fine to get this accumulation. It's also respecting a nice trend. Again, we're only on the 15-minute, but you can see that Avax is respecting a beautiful trend here. Getting a little bit of a flat top. Yeah. Here's the thing, right? If you guys want to make the most money and instead of holding, you look at Bitcoin. Once its dominance is being dropped a little bit, money starts shifting into Ethereum. Money shifts into these large cap altcoins, XRP, Algorand, Avax, Binance, so on and so forth. Then they shift to sort of some large caps as well, a little bit more speculative, FTM, whatever, some other coins. 48, 72 hours, depending on how fast liquidity is moving. So if there's a ton of volume during the initial rotation of capital into these large cap altcoins, then you get a rotation into meme coins a little bit sooner. So within that 24-hour window. Right now, you saw a ton of moves on these large cap alts, and you're finally getting that momentum into these memes. Starting this week, you're looking for a rotation of that cycle again. So you'd want to look at Bitcoin, see what it wants to do. Here's the thing, you get a push up in Bitcoin, you get a pullback. Money after this pullback gets thrown into XRP, Algorand, Binance, Avax. They get that run up, those get pulled down. Money gets thrown into speculative assets such as meme coins, and then the rotation continues. It's very simple. But at some point, and that point could be now, Bitcoin's going to cap. XRP, Binance, Avax, they're going to cap out. I wouldn't call this consolidation a cap out. I don't think we're at the tops yet. But once those cap memes are going to absolutely rip heads off and make those, that's where you're going to see millionaires be made easily. Bonk gapped. My goodness. Seems like there are a couple GameStop coins. The other one is on Solana with a bit less market cap. Yeah. Just be very careful. I'm just saying those, you're looking at like 100x return to GameStop's price moves. If Bonk's moving, I assume Doge is trying to crack that ceiling. I mean, it's still trying, but getting rejected. Okay. See what Pepe's doing. Pepe was looking the strongest out of these. Yeah, Pepe's really trying to break out. This is... You take a look at Pepe. We broke highs. You came back in to retest it. And coming back up. This looks like breakout territory if we don't double top. If we don't double top here, we don't know how high Pepe is going to go. Obviously, I do have some price targets. My main one is right here, which is basically 4-0 is 40. 4-0 is 4. So watch that. Yeah, Bonk failing again. If you see a triple top form, Bonk is not looking great. You're likely to see a move down to this fib at 47 cents for Bonk. So that's what I'd be looking for. Yeah. If we fail here, that's if we fail here. Watch for that move back down. Then I'd go long potentially, or just at least watch from there. But that'd be the target. That would be ugly. XRP, what is XRP moving? Nope, it's flat. Rudy, if you're just popping in, I did cover XRP. We're getting a lot of accumulation across the board. And the reason you're seeing Avax sideways and XRP sideways is just because of the money rotation, right? Dogecoin, Bonk, and Pepe and other memes are taking the liquidity right now. They're taking the volume away from XRP. They're taking the volume away from Avax. These large cap alts. That's all that's happening. So eyes are on these for now. I expect... I think this is early rotation. I would be surprised if we get a sell-off Sunday and we don't see memes double up, right? If we don't see a nicer breakout on these tomorrow, I'd be surprised. But yeah, I mean, this looks great. I'd watch for a move up to 4028 pretty quickly on Pepe. Cheers, bro. Hey, no problem, Rudy. I can briefly cover it for you if you'd like. No problem. Appreciate you popping in. Any thoughts on TRX? I don't believe I'm familiar, but let's take a look. Well, we are seeing. I'm too short of a scale. I want to look on a macro for you. Damn. That highs? This looks like highs. Okay. It looks like we got very, very tough candle here. And then you kind of broke a little bit higher. There's definitely some holders up here after we cracked that resistance. What I'd want to look at, I want to look at TRX market cap before I give you any technicals. Ooh, okay. 27 billion. I haven't heard much about this coin. I mean, I've heard of Tron before. I haven't heard much about TRX. I can't really give you a fundamental value on this, but what I can tell you is at a almost $30 billion market cap, it's going to have to compete a bit. I will say a 32-cent price is very attractive, especially to retail holders. See what some levels, some shorter time frame levels would. Yeah, levels kind of line up. I can do a quick test on this for you. Where's May? November. Okay. See, this is a little bit different. This looks very different. Okay. TRX never got, I mean, it did, but a lot different of a pullback than some of these other plays. 2021, this kind of just traded sideways, and now it's finally smoked price discovery. If you know there's fundamental backing to TRX, I'm not sure how high this can go at this point. Technicals are basically out of the water. I mean, you definitely run some technicals on this. Above a $30 billion market cap is where it gets a little bit sketchy. Pepe pre-sale. Pepe meme. Are these Pepe pre-sale worth it? I haven't looked into it, but I mentioned earlier I'd take a look at Pepe coin. But yeah, for TRX, there's one other thing that I wanted to check out. Just based off of the other altcoins. Take a look at May. We'll take this low. Okay, 282% cycle top. This is fine. I think it's going to have, let's see if that lines up. Okay, see what I'm saying? Lines up perfectly. You can't make this up. That 360% move is awaiting several coins. I'm going to go ahead and give a price target up here at 53 cents for TRX. And I think that will at least get hit during the cycle. Very simply put, 65% from here. As far as that, I would have to chart this out, and it'd take me probably, I mean, if I wanted some good levels, 40 minutes, maybe 30. I would want some deep analysis, but take that price target. I take 53 cents, bro. Yeah, no problem, Joe King. TRX will be going sideways for another 5 years. Well, Listen, if it's going to go sideways, that's better than down. And if that means breaking previous highs by 160%, I mean, that's pretty good. Oh, these advertisements are... Take a look at H-bar. I saw H-bar flying the other day. Well, first, let's take a look. H-bar, $12 billion market cap. Yeah, this is very similar to Pepe. H-bar looks very good. It just entered price discovery, and it has had a lot. I'd say a larger move than almost everything, except some of the very odd plays. Obviously, I'm not going to count some of the pump and dump or some of the major plays. But this, I mean, this crypto is different, right? You're up over 800%. You're entering price discovery. Basically, you're breaking highs and you're looking for that move. I don't know how high this will go. Again, you're sitting at a $12 billion market cap. How high this will go is I mean, who's to say, right? As far as price targets go, it's ran more than XRP. I mean, during this cycle, which I think it was sort of a meme, and then it got listed on major exchanges, which validates its move higher. Ultimately, I'd give a price target. I want some better levels for you guys before I just throw some PTs. Yeah, I'd say these levels are somewhat accurate. It wants to break out of this again. That back. Price target of 53 cents again. Very similar. I mean, same price target I gave TRX, but yeah, H-bar looks great. You can't figure out where the top is on these. That is why you need to run a stop loss if you don't want to leave gains on the table. You think H-bar moves with ADA? Cardano? Take a look at Cardano. Man, a lot of these run very similarly. Let me take a look at Cardano's market cap, 42 billion. Cardano's a little bit more of a well-known, larger market cap. I mean, if H-bar decides that it wants to come and get some of these, you know, come behind its tail, I'm not sure the fundamentals on H-bar, if it's like some sort of great investment or something like that, or if it has some crazy backing behind it. Like, I know XRP has some, like, for example, XRP has, like, very quick transaction time, low fees, right? Saying if there's something like that, let me bring drawings in. Look at Cardano. You're going to notice all of these large cap alts have made the similar move higher. Look at that, 370%. That's the price target. A lot of these large caps have that same price target, and some of them have not hit them yet. Purple Pepe, what up, Kay? Thank you for the super chat. Feel about that. I appreciate that. Throw you a like, throw you a heart. Purple Pepe. Let me know if this is the right chart. Looks like it. This is one of these. Let me see. Herp. Damn. Okay, this looks good. $45 million market cap. Here's one of those things, right? This is one of those crypto assets that will take your money to either A, zero very quickly, or can take your account from 1,000 to 100,000 to potentially a million, depending on if it gets picked up, depending on if there's backing, depending on how the community is. The community sentiment's 90% bullish here. This is very similar to several coins, 420 billion supply, but it's already linked to Pepe. I have heard of Purple Pepe. I haven't looked into it. Chart looks great. Gapped up. We came all the way, made highs, flagging out. I mean, this is beautiful. I mean, seriously. What I can tell you is a lot of these coins, right? A lot of these coins would, if this can get to a $250 million market cap, that's where things get serious. 250 to 500 is where things get serious. Let me take a look at, just to make it so much easier. Just because now I'm interested, right? What do you feel about long positions on XRP? Yeah, I think XRP is gonna head to. Okay, yeah. So for perp, you're looking at, I'd say, let's see if this is accurate really quick, because sometimes. Oh yeah, sure. Hang on, I'll get back to chat 1 second. Doge is moving. And run Doge, run Shiba. Yeah, I don't know why I had to map that out. Like I said, I have decision fatigue up the wazoo tonight. Anyway, yeah. I mean, Purple Pepe, if this cycle keeps moving, the next leg is probably a 400% gain or so, which is just great. And that's just before any serious listings come about. So you're either looking at 0 or 450. A lot of these coins get taken out at $50 million market cap. So if there's something you don't know here, then take that with it, right? If there's obviously community sentiment is great, but community sentiment is great on a lot of these just because it's crypto season. I really want to see what Doge is doing. But yeah. Oh yeah, Doge is looking great. Well, we're on the daily. Doge is getting a doji candle. I bet Bonk is doing the same thing, and Pepe. Oh, this chart is still broken. I can't with Margex. I don't have Bonk here. Alrighty. Bonk is trying. Let's take a look at Shiba. Doge and Shib love each other. My goodness. Oh yeah, look at that pop. What a beautiful candle. Take a look at the 15. 15 cross. Beautiful climb. Volume picking up. Yeah, shout out to the memes, guys. Looking great. I also want to note the callouts that have been in Discord for crypto have been on point. Like insane callouts. Oh, I want to take a look at Link. Ultra Bets is backing it. Oh, dope. Yeah, that's sick, okay. Good luck. Are you in that? Are you in Purple Pepe? Oh yeah, long positions XRP. depends how long this cycle is. I think XRP could have another 200% in it over the next couple months. And if we don't see a market crash, then $7.50 is my price target. But I see a crash. Shout out you, Rudy. Yeah, guys. I mean, something. Yeah, Doge is looking great. So is Shiba. Ooh, beautiful Doge. Beautiful. Yeah, I'd love to get in this. I'm on such a strict trade rule setup. Man, I want to catch this run on Doge so bad. I mean, I can catch it in my bigger account, but just this would be such a move on. I mean, Doge still has resistance at 48 cents. Getting pretty close. Do you think Pepe would be a good hold? Honestly, anything's a good hold right now. How long is the question? Yeah, this trade isn't worth it here. I can't go against my rules, but I mean, we could get rejected after a 2% move up here. See what she was doing. Beautiful, but not as strong. Yeah, guys. You know what? I want to take a look at my coin really quick. Wait a minute. Oh, I thought I saw it. Lottery stocks coin, baby. Yeah, I mean, we're still at an $18,000 market cap, but some bots who just wanted a quick scalp on pump.fun have been selling. We were at a 27, 29K. And we did get King of the Hill. We were at a $56,000 market cap, I believe. Yeah. If you're interested in small caps. You said Moo USD, Dan? We're at a 62% King of the Hill again. I'm trying to get some more utility behind my coin. That way people who are in now are gonna make some money off of this. But yeah, guys, I mean, at this point, I've been doing this all day. Basically, I mean, I did some other stuff, but I'll have a video up for you guys tomorrow. I'm excited to get this account challenge video up for you. You guys are the first people who saw that I'm doing this challenge, so see what happens. We're now at 750, I believe, so 750 for day 2 is not bad. That's all right. We're seeing some rallies. Bet we see some more pumps overnight, right? 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. Some nice moves. But yeah, guys, that's it. I'm going to hop off stream. I appreciate everybody for popping in. E-Lab. What up, Jason? I'll cover Elab really quick. Might as well. And no problem. I'm ready to hop off, but I'm not in a rush. Just I just want to make sure I'm getting the right coin here. Okay, yeah, so that was... I'm not sure if I'm looking at the right... Are you almost ready to post on your new account? Yeah, I mean, I haven't really been pushing it. I'm 2 subscribers away from 100 on my second account, which you can find in the link under any description of the video, guys, if you want to get us there. I have a couple videos backed for the people who want to see them, just like a vlog or 2. And then I'm also working on another video in there. I won't mention it, but I mean, why not mention it, right? I'm working on a house video because I just bought a house. But I'm trying to get some clips for that. It's just gonna be, you know, some more vlogging, wholesome content. Probably me messing around, whatever. It's just behind the scenes of the finance stuff. You know, everyone needs a break away from the business numbers and everything. Gotta have a little bit of fun in the background. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it. I'm hoping I can post on there soon. I do have a video already prepped, so I mean, we can hit the 100 subs and maybe I'll just drop it. But oh, the stock. I'm sorry. Everybody's been asking about crypto. Let me get rid of some of my indicators. This is a very bad chart. Off rip. See something. I mean, there's not much technicals to do here. I'd really have to just look into the company. Jeez. Holy sh... Bro, what did you just bring me? What? You just brought me a banger, Jason. 102% short interest. What the what am I looking at? Holy shit. We just saw... God, I'm gonna have to figure out the cycles on this. Let me bring in my toolkit. This is my indicator, by the way. I just want to see if it can figure anything out here before I do the work. Get a macro. And then a 50-day. Oh, okay, that does not work. Yeah, because it's such a... I don't know if this is going to work on a macro. Yeah, it's not working. My goodness. I mean, the stock doesn't look good, but 102% short interest is absurd. See if I can figure out anything here. Huge dump. Two. I mean, I'm not seeing anything off rip. I'm seeing major sell, obviously. This major move again. You get another move, gap up. Take a deeper look. Yeah. Right into a new move. Big drop. Big drop. Big drop. This is big gap. I mean, at this point, they have to do a reverse split. This is getting scary. If they can avoid delisting. I wonder what's so bad about this company. Let me see. Just had merger news announcement. It's expected any day. They just acquired some others too. The merger out of the way. Earnings coming up. 2.6 million float. Yeah. $6 million market cap. That is crazy. The earnings performance is pretty bad. Yeah, I mean the shorter time frames are indicating a buy. I'm just at this point I'm intrigued. I might look at this on my off time. Like when I'm not streaming. Okay. Oh, were you talking about E-Labs? No, you're talking about E-Lab. Okay, yeah, because you said 6 million float. Okay, it's hmm. Yeah, I mean this is absurd. What can you catch? Let's see if you can catch any of it. Well, looks like you see after the big drop, you see a move about 21 days in. Big drop. Yeah, not looking like you could catch anything particular. Okay, so 21 days in is when the big shift happens in the center of the cycle. What it looks like. Yep, same thing. 21 days. 21 days, you get a large move up or large move down, and that's going to finish the cycle. So, how far in are we? Anything to catch? Oh, right there. I mean, I'm not sure if there's anything here, but they don't have much more room to fall. They either come down to near delisting right now, where you get, I mean, a slight pop. Even still, it's so risky. I mean, this is a company that this is like a crypto. You throw 1,000 in to a meme crypto and you hope for the best, and you either become a millionaire or just it's just super high risk. I don't like this, but 102% short interest. You got my attention. Yeah, I'd have to look into it more. You've got the right one. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I appreciate all you guys popping in. Thank you so much for hopping on the stream. Unfortunate we couldn't get any green trades for you, but I was ultimately done. Yeah, look at that. Doge pushed to 48 cents. Oh, that is gorgeous. Basically right up there. Dogecoin is looking beautiful. If I could enter another trade, but I'm sticking very closely to my rules, then Doge would be it. Doge is coming up to this resistance. Oh my goodness. What a beautiful move. Doge is coming to 55 cents if we break this at 48. 55 cents overnight. Tomorrow you're going to wake up. There's going to be so much FOMOing. Obviously, this is best case scenario. It's meme turn. 56 cents. 55, 56 cents I'm looking at for Dogecoin in the morning. But yeah, good night, guys. A weekly stream would be clutch. I mean, potentially, bro. I think the last time we streamed, we had a lot of people in here. Or not the last time, second to last. We had like, I don't know if it was 500 or 1,000 people, but this was a stream I kind of just threw up. I wanted to come and chit chat with you guys since I was going to take a trade anyway, or at least was debating on it. But yeah, I didn't have anything prepped. Thank you guys for popping in. Make sure to sub on your way out. Get in the Discord. Doge is just looking beautiful. We'll probably be talking about this in Discord after I pop off stream. But yeah, I love you, fam. Remember, win money, lose money. The number one thing is you got God by your side, which is great, right? No matter what happens. Such an amazing thing. So you guys have a great night. That is it for the stream. Meme Mania, yes, sir. Drop meme season on your way out. Love you guys. That's going to do it. We will be watching Doge. Peace.